What's happening with y'all, bro? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy, Brace Stay Up. Back with a whole nother banger, man. As usual, you know, today is Cruzin With Mel truck show in Beaumont, Texas at Twin Peaks, man. I told y'all I was going in the last video. That's what today, you know, today we got going on, man. We're going out there. I'm going out there to get some exclusive content for y'all, man, because you know, Cruzin With Mel, man, he be hosting them. Yeah, he be hosting that pressure. So yeah, today I'm going to meet up with my boy DeAndre. If some of y'all follow me on Instagram, as you know, that's that blue GMC Sierra on them LTZs I shot a roller for. But anyways, we meeting up with him today. We shooting out to Beaumont, and from now, man, it's just gonna be up. You know what it is, man. So yeah, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Hit that notification bell for your boy, man. Stay tuned for this banger, cause look, man, got that thing washed up, man. You know what it is, man. Look, you know, look. Boy, I got the 14s on, man. Come on, man. Stop playing. But yeah, bro. We about to shoot out, man. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in Beaumont, man. We gone. Hey man, we done made it out here to Beaumont, Texas, bro. Dog, I pull up and I see all these dogs, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the footage, man. I got some good content coming for y'all, bro. Y'all stay tuned. I'm out here with my boy, man. Y'all go subscribe to my boy channel. He just starting in the YouTube game, man. Southern Lifestyle, dog. I'm gonna put his name in the description down below. Hold on, he about to pull it up for y'all, man. But yeah, bro, this is truck right here, man. 24x14. What you got on there? 7 in the... What you got? McGuire? Yeah, man. Yeah. 709 McGuire, man. Y'all see it. Yeah, bro. Do a little review on it, man. Oh, we out here thugging.
It's dirty right now, though.
Shit, you should see mine. Hey, what kind of exhaust you got on here?
I got True Dude straights to X-pipes to 5-inch tubes.
True Dude, God, boy, but them are long.
Nah, that shit not talking. That shit not talking. Like, yeah, I got the ace in the vein.
Come on, man, stop playing, bro. You got bags on here?
That was my train horn.
Hey, bro. Hey, about it. That good. That bit. Oh. Bro. I'm trying to see somebody blow this shit up. Hey, tell him pull over here. Lord. Oh. I look like one whistling D said. Come on, man.
Let me hear something.
Oh, Lord. Hey, come over here. He said, oh no, he ain't having that. That bug clean, boy.
Come on, pull on here.
Fine.
Let me hear some. Come on, let me hear some. Hold up, come on, right here.
Lord.
Alright, right there, let me hear some.
Hey, he wants you to smoke him. He wants you to smoke him. Come on, man. Come on, man.
He turned up. He about to hit it. He turned up. Come on. Let me hear
That's
something.
him. Go follow him on the ground, man. Share our status, bro.
Check them out, bro. Check them out.
You got it? Lord. He about to blow the diesel up, yo. Killing the beat. What's down? Look him. What's up, Mr. Viper Pit, man? What's up, bro? Man, why you ain't drive the truck, son?
I need to get my tires done.
You wanna look at that white truck?
Huh?
You wanna look at that big white truck?
Oh yeah.
Mother tall. You need to do yours like that. Lean it back.
No.
And lay it back how you used to do on a cat eye? Why not, bro? You straight,
I
huh?
ain't living that truck.
Man, you capping. You ain't gonna lift the white one?
Maybe when I get to 1,000 miles, I'll lift it.
How much?
1,000.
What you got on there?
I got 15,000 miles on it.
15.
Brady truck, man.
You must have bought that from some old people.
It was.
Yeah, they barely drove that thing. That look Dre, man. All the way from Mally, Louisiana. You heard me?
Shit, man. Mallet.
Mallet's finest, bro. Should've bought cornbread. Hey, boy, hey, that Ford Ranger right there, that's a dog, boy. That's the one I was telling you about earlier. Hey, boy, it's burning rubber so much, son. And look, holding it to the floor. I'm gonna show you.
It looked like he was doing front burn.
No, he was doing back burn.
Killing the beat.
Street?
What?
For that. You getting a new body like that? Or you gonna get a Duramax next? Yo, aw man! Look, oh look, there you go right there, look. There you go right there. Hey man, here my boy Black Z71, man. You know what it is, bro. We out to Beaumont, Texas, man. You know what it is. Got his boy right there.
Gotta show the boot, show him what the boot do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know what it is. Man, hey. Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all see what it is, bro. Y'all go subscribe to my dog channel.
I just got these taillights in.
Yeah, I seen them earlier, bro. I was like, ooh. I know they hit you for a bag.
Oh, it was 600. Color match, everything gold, stickers, everything.
Yeah, they hard, though. That's hard. I like how you got the stickers in the city.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's clean. It was somebody from your city, did it?
Nah, a dude from North Carolina, Trap Runner on Instagram.
Trap Runner? He do that?
Yeah, not Trap Lawn, Trap Runner.
Oh, Trap Runner? I'm gonna have to follow him.
Yeah, he do these. At first it was just for just color match without the gold added, just the stickers, it was like $5.50, a little less.
City paid 600. Yeah. City paid 600. For the tail lights, color match and everything. This is my boy Terrence Romero, bro. That's my boy in the blue GMC that just passed with the LTZs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's my boy right here. Yeah, that's my boy right here.
I used to have a truck like that, but it wasn't that high. Oh yeah. I had a 3-inch stuff, 26, 14, and 37.
Look, Terrence.
I want some wires too. I'm trying to look at some wires right now. You can get on them with that.
What you got? You got true dual straights?
Yeah, true dual straights from the cat's back to 6-inch tips dump.
Yeah.
Then I got 4 8-inch DS18s under the bed.
Yeah, I bet them bulls loud.
They loud. I got custom built doors and everything.
I seen it. I had.
Joel 6.5.
Oh man. You like that? Hey, y'all like that? He should have blew it up. Hey, he from Texas?
Yeah.
He come to Louisiana with that. They gonna like him. All right, boy. You go? Hey, let's do it down, bro. Man, bro. Ain't gotta be it. Oh no, my bad. Oh no, you good, bro? Bulletproof, son. This whole huge, boy. Hey. I know I seen that bit earlier. Man. Man. It gotta be about a 15. Ain't gonna count. Count, man. About 15. Got my boy Cruzin With Mel, man. I ain't know what it is. Man, y'all see it, bro. Y'all can't tell me that mug ain't pressure, dog. What that, Chance, what that is? A bulletproof? Bulletproof? Oh yeah, so look, bulletproof right there. 12 to 16. Y'all heard it, man. 12 to 16, bro. Y'all heard it. What? How big is this? I hope you don't drive this daily.
I do. I drive this daily, every day.
Yeah. Man, I know you want to see this. No, I know you want to see how you get it.
I'll show you after he comes back.
Golly.
The funniest part is watching him get in it. If we're gonna be completely honest.
Y'all see a shirt, truck hub.
But follow me on the gram, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you. Well, yeah, man, y'all go follow Trinity Faye. Y'all see it, bro. She said, what she said is like an 18. If she measure it with a tape measure, it's like an 18. Yeah, man, y'all see it, bro. I ain't gonna cap, dude. This mug huge. Like, look at this. I'm 6'3", right? Alright. I'm 6'3". 6'3", look at this. Hey, I'm 6'3". Look at this. I'm 6'3", bro. 6'3". That's crazy. And a lady drive this, bro. Oh, she got halos in here too. What? Color match headlights, man. What you think, Dre? You mess with it?
One day.
One day? It's 2,500. Look what a tip is. Son, I ain't gonna count. And she says she daily driving. Yeah, man, we about to go in here, Twin Peaks, bro, and get some food, man. We done drove 2 hours, 3 hours. I ain't eat all day, so they ain't eat all day, so yeah, we about to just go ahead and grub. Hey man, here with my boy Dre. Finally get to do a truck review on this boy, man. I tell them boys what you got going on, dog.
So the lift set at 9. Got Cognito uppers. Powder coated. With the boys powder coated.
Y'all see it. Cognito, man.
And this is on 37.
Original LTZ, bro. Come on, man. Y'all see it. Hey, don't get in the comments and trap his tires, bro. Hey, my dog do a lot of traveling, man. He travel, bro. But hey, this truck, y'all see it. Y'all see the GMC summer, man. This is a Denali grill too, huh?
Yeah, they both Denali.
Oh, all right. Man. Hey, y'all probably seen him at Scraping. Well, you know whoever be watching my vlogs. Got my boy Chance Romero back there, man. Got some in the making. Yeah, bro. Y'all see it. Hey, if any one of y'all watch, you know, follow me on Instagram or whatever. Y'all know this is a truck I saw the roll on. But y'all see it, straight out of Mali, man.
Yeah, straight out of Mali.
Stop playing.
Little dumb shit, you know. Got the 7-inch tips.
7-inch tips, man.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yeah, bro. Like I said, son.
2-inch.
You like being ignorant, huh? Straight out of Mali, man. Should have got my boy Cornbread over here. He gonna be watching it. He gonna watch it.
Yeah.
Cornbread. But yeah, man, y'all see it. Got Max Track. Fake fleet.
35 on the shit.
35 on the shit. Here you go. You know what it is. Leonville's finest. Man, hey, what if it says straight up like that?
Oh yeah, if I push the 3
Man.
balls down and leave that one at the top, it will stand straight up.
Man, that stuff's so ugly. Yeah, I got that on camera, Viper Pit, man. Pit Viper, whatever you want to call it. But look, yeah, he got the automatic steps, man. Look, it's unlocked.
Yeah, it's unlocked.
Look, yeah, y'all see it. Pressure. Oh, you got 2 PAs on here too, huh?
3.
3.
2 in the front and 1 in the back. They all drivers, compression drivers.
Yeah, y'all, you know. Oh yeah, you got it. What you got?
Double 5 over 20.
Double 5 over 20. Yeah.
Open the door. Check. Either one. There's a mirror, man. Everything looks.
Man, what's wrong with this dude, bro? It's a double 5 and 20.
Oh, the quad real good lights.
Oh yeah. Man, you remember them days, huh? Remember they fell off? Oh no, it stopped working. That day we was at McDonald's. Yeah, quad roll. Yeah, that boy was hot. Yeah, look. Yeah, y'all see. But he got the airbags in the back, man. Y'all see it, bro. What this like? What the drop is? It's like a 2-inch drop.
It's a 5-inch block with 2-inch drop shot.
No, I mean like your bags. How low they drop? Or?
That's the lowest they can go.
Oh really?
Yeah. They deflated right now.
Shit, air them up, bro. Air them up to where it's like this.
It's not gonna go like that. It's gonna sit like.
Well, you just drop the front down. Level. Drop the front down and then.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah. I see your type. I see your type. Yeah, man. Hey man, I just want to give a shout out to Cruzin With Mel, Southern Lifestyle, Black Z781. You know, we all met up with each other. You know, we just talked or whatever. But yeah, man, Mel, hey, bro. You know, shout out to you for hosting this at Twin Peaks in Beaumont, bro. It was cool. You know, got to see some good trucks, clean trucks. You know, seeing your truck for the first time in person, bro. And when I see you wide, cuz you might be the widest in the South. I ain't gonna cap. So yeah, man. But you got that, bro. We about to shoot back to our blues, man. Y'all know what it is, bro. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next couple bangers, man. We're on the road to 1K, man. 1K, champ. 1K, bro. So we gone, man. Y'all stay up. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know, as the usual, man. Let's get this video to 50 likes, dog. So y'all stay up, man. We gone.